Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Rakesh Yadav class notes using an easy method. Many students find these notes incredibly helpful for competitive exams, but knowing how to approach them effectively is key. We'll cover a straightforward, three-step process to maximize your learning and retention. This method focuses on active engagement and consistent review, ensuring you grasp every concept thoroughly. Let's dive right into making your study sessions more productive and less overwhelming. First, truly understand the structure of the notes. Don't just jump into problems. Take about 10 to 15 minutes to skim through a new chapter. Look at the headings, subheadings, and any bolded text. This initial overview helps you map out the content mentally. Then, read through the theory section carefully, making sure you grasp the fundamental principles before moving on to the practical applications. This foundational understanding is crucial for later problem solving. Next, engage in active learning. After understanding a concept, try to solve the practice problems without immediately looking at the given solutions. This builds your problem-solving skills and identifies areas needing more attention. If you get stuck, review the relevant theory, then try again. Additionally, summarize key ideas in your own words. This reinforces understanding. Consider dedicating about 60% of your study time to active problem solving. Finally, consistent practice and review are non-negotiable. Set aside 20 to 30 minutes daily for revision of older topics. This spaced repetition prevents forgetting and solidifies your knowledge over time. Work through a variety of problems, not just those from a single chapter, to simulate exam conditions. Track your progress and focus extra effort on any concepts that consistently challenge you. This systematic approach ensures long-term retention and exam readiness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.